climb inside the 2022 Ford F-150. This four-door, five-passenger truck leads among competitors in its segment. Ford prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a trip computer, automatic dimming door mirrors, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, and a split-folding rear seat. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 18 speakers, providing world-class sound throughout. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.